Good and positivity, beautiful healing. I'm doing this video for my Boss Mom family on Facebook because I know say once I see this video now still want to come YouTube to come watch. Okay, thank you all so much. If you are new to this channel, do not fail to subscribe. This is a spiritual home. Everything here in spirituality we do. Okay, you bring favor, you bring happiness, you bring success to yourself. Be your juju. Now they teach for my platform. You become your great person yourself without nobody duping you or eating your money. Today I want to teach you how you can use miracle leaf to bring favor, money, blessing, customers, breakthrough into your life. You want good luck, you want favor, you want attraction, you want great things. Very simple. Make sure say you plant this miracle leaf for your compound. The leaf that they also they put out for children navy if they newborn them, and the part of the tree or the eye they be this. My own don't finish. My own miracle leaf don't finish. As you can see, new one don't they grow. This one a fresh one where they grow now, and this one are the dry one. Okay, but you need a fresh one. If you want to ask me, Boss Mom, how do I get it? I don't have it in my compound. Make sure say you plant them for your compound. It's very easy to get. This is the #1 simplest herb or nature where you go get for us. You understand? So when you get them finished in the morning when you wake up, you go where the leaf day, where you plant them, or the garden where you forget them. If you get them for us already, super. Okay, that's good. Now you speak what you want for the leaf. You talk what you want for the leaf. After your prayer, after your request, after your incantation, after everything, you pluck from 2 upward or 3 or 4. 4 na my spiritual number why they always tell people to start with to manifest with. So if you be say you want a terra, you know what make we finish, you can get 2 but not 1. Then if you want say okay, you want to manifest from 4 numbers upward, then you get 4. Carry your bucket of water, mash them. When you mash them with the water, add sea salt, take bath. Early morning before you go your business place, before you go your working place, before you go your shop, before you do anything, always bath with this water. You're going to see your life manifesting. You're going to see great things manifesting in your life. You're going to come back and tell me that Boss Mom says start bathing with miracle leaf with sea salt early morning. I speak to it each day and I add it to my bathing water to bath. Look at what is happening. You can also take from that water that you just mash, take it with white bowl, take it to your shop, either white bowl, calabash, or coconut shell. You understand? Coconut shell where you don't remove all the coconut inside. You make sure say the shell gets cover and plate. On a good day, we'll do spiritual teaching on how coconut shell is very important when you want to be doing some spiritual work. Okay, now you cover am with some water. With the water, you put some water inside, cover am, take and go your shop, sprinkle am and pray for customers. Sit down, you're going to see customers coming. Any day you do this work, you're going to see people looking at you, you're going to be getting attraction, you're going to see good things manifesting in your life. We just sought a miracle leaf. We're going to come back with you this morning. Have a beautiful evening. I remain your Boss Mom. Bye, guys.